Hi, my name is Jenny with Howstuffinmycarworks.com. In today's video, I will explain how to replace the rear brake shoes on Ford F-250 pickup trucks. The design has basically been the same throughout all the years. The truck used for this video is a 1989 Ford F-250 two-wheel drive. To begin this job, place wooden blocks under the front wheels to keep the truck from rolling. Lift the rear end of the truck using a floor jack and place 2 jack stands under the rear differential for safety. Remove the rear tires. It is recommended to replace one side at a time to use the wheel that hasn't been taken apart as a reference. Once the rear wheels have been removed, retract the brake shoes by pushing the adjusting lever away from the adjusting screw and turn the adjusting screw upward several times to move the brake shoes away from the brake drum. Next, remove the brake drum. Once the brake drum has been removed, use one finger to pull the adjusting lever away from the adjusting screw and screw the adjusting screw all the way in using your thumb and index finger. Remove the lower retracting spring using the brake pliers as shown in the image. We have these pliers available in the tools section of our online store. Next, remove the upper retracting spring. Remove the adjusting screw. Detach the self-adjusting cable from the self-adjusting lever. Using locking pliers, push the hold-down spring inward and detach it from the hold-down pin. Remove the primary shoe followed by the secondary brake shoe. Clean the backing plate using brake cleaner. Apply a light coat of high temp brake lube to the contact points on the back plate. Place the secondary brake shoe on a workbench and remove the adjusting lever return spring. Next, remove the adjusting lever from the old brake shoe. Turn the brake shoe over and pry the cable guide retaining tabs open with a small flat screwdriver and remove the cable guide. Next, install the cable guide on the new secondary brake shoe, making sure that the retaining tabs are secured. Install the new adjusting lever retaining pin on the new secondary brake shoe. Install the adjusting lever and spring as shown in the image. Open the adjusting screw all the way and clean it with brake cleaner. Apply a light coat of high temp brake lube to the threads or anti-seize to keep it from sticking. Place the upper retracting spring on the top of the hub as shown in the image. Insert the new hold-down pins through the backing plate. Install the hold-down spring on the brake shoe and proceed to install the secondary brake shoe in place. Using the locking pliers to push the hold-down spring in and hold the hold-down pin over it as shown in the image. Install the primary brake shoe in the same manner. Attach the upper retracting spring to both brake shoes using brake pliers. Install the self-adjusting screw. Next, install the lower retracting spring followed by the self-adjusting cable. In this particular truck, the brake drums were damaged by the bad brake shoes and they needed to be replaced. Have your brake drums inspected and machined at your local machine shop. Make sure you clean them with brake cleaner prior to installation. Install the drums and the wheels. Adjust the self-adjusting screw all the way in and back it out a few notches till you are able to spin the tire in a full revolution in one push, feeling a slight drag from the brake shoes, making contact with the brake drum. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you visit our online store. We have great deals on tools, auto and truck accessories, and so much more. See you next time.